How do I create a good username?
Welcome to our guide on how to create a compelling and effective username. Usernames are an integral part of your online identity. They represent who you are on the internet, whether it's on social media, gaming platforms, forums, or email accounts. So, it's important to create a username that is not only unique and catchy but also a reflection of your personality. Let's dive into the steps you can take to achieve this.
What makes a good username?
First things first. What exactly makes a good username? A good username is typically 1. Easy to remember. The best usernames are the ones that stick in people's minds. They're easy to recall, which is essential when interacting with others online. 2. Unique. Your username should ideally be something that only you would use. It needs to stand out among the sea of other usernames. 3. Reflective of you. Whether it hints at your interests, values, profession, or humor, a good username says something about who you are.
Brainstorming ideas for your username.
Brainstorming is an essential part of creating a good username. Here are a few tips to get you started. Interests, hobbies. What do you enjoy doing? This could range from sports, music, arts, books, films, etc. Personal characteristics. Do you have any defining features or characteristics? Maybe you're known for your creativity, courage, or kindness. Favorite words, phrases. Are there any words or phrases that you particularly like or identify with? Numbers or special characters. Adding a number or special character can make a common username unique. Just make sure it's not too complicated to remember.
Combining and refining your ideas.
Now that you have a list of words and concepts that represent you, it's time to combine and refine them into a username. Here's how you can do this. Mix and match. Combine different words and ideas from your list. Experiment with variations until you find a combination that sounds right. Use a username generator. If you're stuck, there are many username generators online that can provide you with ideas based on your input. Check availability. Once you have a username you like, check its availability on the platforms you intend to use it. If it's taken, consider adding numbers or special characters, or try another combination. And there we have it. Remember, creating a perfect username is an iterative process. You might not hit the jackpot on your first try, but don't let that discourage you. Keep trying, keep mixing and matching until you create a username that is unique, memorable, and a reflection of you. Happy username crafting!